Struggling to manage your money? The 50%, 30%, 20% rule is one of the easiest ways to budget without stress. It breaks your income into needs, wants, and savings so you know exactly where your money goes. In this video, I'll show you how it works and how to use it to take control of your finances. If you want money made simple, like this video and subscribe for more smart money tips that anyone can follow. 1. What is the 50%, 30%, 20% rule and why it works? The 50%, 30%, 20% rule is a simple way to divide your income for smarter and stress-free budgeting. 50% goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% goes into savings. It's one of the most beginner-friendly methods to build financial discipline and awareness. Unlike complex budgets, it gives structure without requiring constant tracking of each dollar. It helps prevent lifestyle creep by making sure you always prioritize needs before wants. By giving every dollar a job, it creates a system that reduces financial decision fatigue. It's flexible enough to adapt to various incomes while still encouraging long-term goals. The beauty is in its balance. Enjoy your money now while still saving for the future. It helps highlight if you're overspending in areas that don't match your true priorities. You stay in control, not overwhelmed, which makes it more likely you'll stick to the plan. 2. The 50%. Covering all your essential needs. The first 50% of your income should go toward your essential living expenses every month. This includes housing, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation, and minimum debts. Essentials are what you absolutely need to live and function, not what you'd like to have. It's critical to define this honestly to avoid mislabeling wants as needs by convenience. Rent or mortgage payments are usually the largest part of this portion, so plan carefully. Groceries, not dining out, belong here. Home-cooked meals keep this category in balance. Only include minimum payments on debts here. Extra payments go in your savings section. Utilities like electricity, water, internet, and basic phone plans fall into this 50%. The goal is to stay under 50%. If you're above, it's time to cut back or increase income. 3. The 30%. Spending on your personal wants. The 30% category is where your wants lie. This is for enjoyment, lifestyle, and luxury. These include dining out, entertainment, subscriptions, travel, and non-essential items. It's important to understand this doesn't mean recklessness. It still needs thoughtful limits. This spending should align with your values. Spend on what brings you true satisfaction. Think of this as your fun budget, but one that's still part of a long-term plan. Use this section to reward yourself while staying mindful of lifestyle inflation. Setting a fixed limit means you enjoy freely without guilt or financial stress later. This category teaches balance, how to enjoy your money without undermining your future. 4. The 20%. Investing in your future self. This is your wealth building section. The 20% goes directly to savings and debt repayment. This includes emergency funds, retirement contributions, and paying down debt faster. The goal is to build security, grow assets, and reduce financial burdens over time. Start with emergency savings. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. Then move to debt repayment. Knock out high-interest loans to gain more freedom later. Also include long-term savings like house down payments, tuition, or major life goals. Automatic transfers help remove temptation and make saving a consistent habit. This portion may seem small, but over time, it's where true wealth starts to grow. It's how you stop working for money and start having your money work for you. 5. Adapting the rule to a regular income. For freelancers or commission-based earners, budgeting gets harder but still possible. Start by calculating your average monthly income using a 6-month rolling average. Use your lowest expected income month as your budgeting baseline, not your best month. Then apply the 50%, 30%, 20% rule based on that conservative baseline to stay safe. Put any surplus into savings so you can smooth out leaner months with peace of mind. Always prioritize the 50% needs and 20% savings before indulging in 30% wants. If your income fluctuates wildly, try budgeting weekly rather than monthly for precision. Separate your income into 2 bank accounts, one for spending, one for savings buffer. Budgeting doesn't have to be hard. The 50%, 30%, 20% rule makes it simple and effective. Are you ready to start using it? Let me know how you'll break down your income in the comments. And if this helped make budgeting feel less overwhelming, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy financial tips that help you save more, spend smarter, and reach your money goals faster.